Hey guys, this is Sarang from Skill-Lync. I'm pretty sure most of you are watching this video on your smartphone. In this video, we are going to be talking about some interesting engineering aspects that are actually taken into account while designing your smartphone. So let's get started. So the first aspect that we are going to be talking about is your screen. Screens are amazing. They have evolved a lot over the last few years. So today we are just going to be talking about the touch component. The sense of touch in a smartphone is completely a mechanical engineering aspect. However, it's completely created digitally. Smartphones uses something called as capacitive sensing, which basically helps the computer or the processor of your smartphone identify what the user is actually doing. And this actually works very well. Your screen basically creates a uniform electric field, and when the user touches the screen, what's happening is locally at the point of touch there is a voltage drop. Now there are essential circuits that are built onto the screen that can basically measure this voltage drop, and they can convert or correlate that voltage drop to a user action, which for example can be zoom in, zoom out, or even scroll. Now this is also the reason why when you're actually wearing a glove, your touch doesn't work. The second component of your smartphone that we are going to be talking about is the display. The common display system that is used in a smartphone is what you call as the digital light projection. DLP uses LEDs to generate unpolarized light. This light passes through several layers of mirrors and lenses to reach what you call as a digital micro mirror device. Now, these digital micro mirror devices are basically like switches, right? So you have an array of switches. Now, depending upon what is being shown on the screen, some of these mirrors are on, whereas some of the mirrors are off, right? Now, all of these take place at an amazing speed so that you don't notice the transition behind one light going on and the other light going off. It's super fast. The next interesting engineering aspect that we are going to be talking about deals with the quality of your smartphone, and this is what you call as NVH. NVH stands for noise, vibration, and harshness. This is basically a part of engineering that is actually done with a lot of commercial electronics and commercial products. In fact, when you take your car, there is actually an entire team which basically focuses on NVH. So what is NVH? When you make a product, you need to make sure that the noise levels, vibration levels coming out from that product are kept to a bare minimum. And in order to accomplish this, a lot of physical testing is done. Now, along with NVH, there is another team which is called as durability team, which works to make sure that the product has or product is designed to give a particular life. And now for a smartphone, this would be how long your smartphone is going to last, how many times can you drop your smartphone, and for this a lot of tests are done. One of the common tests that people do or the companies do is that they drop the smartphones from different heights and they repeat this process for several cycles. Now don't worry, there's not a guy doing this. There are machines which continuously do these drop tests, and whenever there's a new design, all of these drop and vibration tests are repeated. The final feature that I wanted to talk about is water resistance. As you know, most of the phones right now in the market are water resistant. Manufacturers are able to do this by creating seals in different areas which prevents water from seeping through into the electronic components. Now, you need to remember that these seals can hold off the pressure of water only for a certain amount of time. And that is why if you look at water resistant certifications for your smartphones, they depend upon the level of water. Because when you change the level of water, you change the hydrostatic pressure, which means it's going to be easy for the water to actually seep through, right? And that is why you see that most of the smartphones are water resistant only for water levels of 1 to 1.5 meters. It's going to take a lot of engineering and hard work to create a smartphone that can actually withstand water pressures at a height of 30 meters. Alright, I hope you found this video useful and you start appreciating your smartphone a bit more. Hey, and we also wanted to make another announcement. As you know, Skill-Lync is an online e-learning platform that focuses on providing mechanical engineering courses. We have a wide range of mechanical engineering courses that teach skills that you would need in case you want to build your own smartphone. And in order to make this more interesting for you, we have come up with an amazing challenge. Here is how it works. If you are a mechanical, aerospace or automotive engineering student, take a course in the next 5 days, finish watching all the videos, challenges and score 80% in that course and you will win a brand new smartphone. Links are in the description box below. Thank you. Bye.